In this video I will show you how to edit creamy fade filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password that appears in the upper right corner as a card. So let's start editing. First go to Light plus 0.20 for exposure. Contrast to -70. Highlights bring to -30. Shadows to +100. White to -50. And black to -60. Next go to color. Temperature to +10. Tint to +6. +25 for vibrance and saturation. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to -6. Saturation to -12. And luminance to +30. Next go to orange. Hue to -4. Saturation to -30. And luminance to +12. Next go to yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to -50. And luminance to +15. Next go to green. Hue to -40. Saturation to -100. And luminance to +45. Next go to aqua. Hue to -100. Saturation to -100. Next go to blue. Hue to -40. Saturation to -25. And luminance to -20. And done. Now go to color grading. Bring hue to 225 and saturation to 15. And hue to 50 and saturation to 5. Blending to 100. And balance to +25. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to -10. And days to +20. Next go to details. Sharpening to +10. And noise reduction to +20. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.